Hi again, Kevin Gallagher from Mental Performance Coaching, and welcome to our 12 Days to Christmas vlog. This is day 2, so it's just 11 days now till the big man arrives. You're getting all excitable. And today's tip is about the power of reflection.
On the second day of Christmas, my true love sent to me.
Well, it's been a bit of a blinking year, ain't it? And I want you to think back to this time last December, 2019. Think about what was on your mind. What was your focus going to be for 2020? What were your aspirations for your business this year? And when I say aspirations, I'm not talking about New Year's resolutions here. What I'm talking about is your true commitments and your real intentions for the way you wanted your business to be now, today, when you look ahead in 2019. Now you may be thinking, well, that didn't turn out too well, did it? But the fact that you're still here would suggest that you've probably achieved a great deal despite COVID and the restrictions it may have placed on your business. So look back at what you've achieved. Did you create the business you imagined just 12 months ago? Maybe not. So ask yourself, did you keep all your commitments? Did you lead yourself well? Did you lead your people well? Did you control your finances? Did you take this opportunity to train and upskill yourself so that you're the best you can be? Did you take this opportunity to train and upskill your team so that they're the best they can be? It's been an incredibly challenging year, but we can still learn from it. So I want you to put your lab coat on and become a scientist and look at your business the way a scientist would look at an experiment, and thinking in terms of what is in your control. What went well, and if you did more of it, would really ramp up your growth in 2021. What didn't go so well, so you can learn from it and do less of it, or even eradicate it in 2021. What worked okay, but has room for improvement in 2021. And what new knowledge did you gain in 2020? And what new knowledge will you gain in 2021? Looking back, what are you most grateful for in 2020? The reason for reflection is to learn and not to beat yourself up. And it's definitely not to compare yourself against other people's business and personal achievements. Reflect and learn, because as Einstein once said, insanity is doing the same thing and expecting a different result. Reflect, learn, discover and plan for change, and give it some momentum in 2021. After your reflection, consider these questions. What are 3 things you need to start doing in 2021? What are 3 things you need to stop doing in 2021? What are 3 things that you'll continue or improve doing so that 2021 is your most successful and profitable year so far? It only works, so give it a go. You'll thank me later. I'll see you tomorrow for Christmas tip number 3, and in the meantime, go out there and make it a cracking day.